Hey Jackals! In today's video, we'll take a look how to duplicate the subject and change its color inside DaVinci Resolve. Now let's get digital. So this is what the end result can look like, and what you want to do is to isolate the subject. I'll be using this video clip, which has a green screen, and to do this quickly and easily, I'll go into the color page, but I have a video on how to do that in Fusion page as well. So inside the color page, I'll open the effects, 3D keyer, apply it, grab this tool, color over the green screen, right click, add an alpha output, connect it, then I'll use the dispel, and I can also use the matte finesse to clean the blacks and maybe clean the whites. Now if I go inside the Fusion page where we make the effect, this will actually not apply, as you can see. So you have to right click on the clip and make a new compound clip. And then when you go into the Fusion page, this will actually stay transparent. So that is what you want to achieve. To have a transparent clip or isolated subject so that the effect only applies to the subject. Another way how you could do it is to use a polygon, make a cutout of the subject and simply do the tracking. But with a lot of movement, using the polygon is not ideal. Now you can do this effect in two ways. One is to have a bunch of duplicates of the original subject and have those duplicates be a solid color, and the other one is to have those duplicates be visible but still have the color changed. Now let's do the first method. So I'll want to use a duplicate node to make a bunch of duplicates. You will connect it and I'll display it on the left. So you can make a bunch of copies, maybe 7. You won't see any changes, but you will if you change the center position. And then you simply add a background node, connect it, and display it, and just change the color to what you want. Maybe also lower the alpha if that is what you need. And then use a merge node. And then connect the background to the merge, but this is now on top of everything. So simply use Ctrl T to switch between the inputs, so the background is now in the back of the merge node. So this original clip is on the top. Then in the duplicate node, you can also change the offset so that the shadow changes. Now in the beginning, as you can see, you would have to cut the clip because the copies appear with a delay that we've set in the time offset. And you can also adjust the blend if that is what you want. And you can use any kind of effects after the background node. So maybe you want to add some glow. Now as you can see, the shadows go to the left side and they disappear. So what you can also do is with the media in selected, use a transform node, and this will automatically connect both nodes. And now simply in the transform node, adjust the center position. And what you can also do is change the size. That was one method, and the second method is to see the subject in this color. So we'll do it similarly as we did here, but with a bit of a twist. We'll use a merge node and connect this duplicate to the background of the merge, and let me display it on the left side. And I can just make this solid. So I'll adjust the blend. So this is what we see. Now we want to color this in this color. This will be the foreground. And what we want to do is to cut out this shape, basically the subjects, from this color, which currently is just gray. And to achieve that easily, we'll simply connect this duplicate to the mask of the merge node. Now this is what we have. We can again connect this to the merge and we'll get this result. And to get the effect that we want is to go to the background and lower the alpha. Just like that. And you can then change the color to anything that you want. And then you can add some glow, change the settings to what you want. You can also use some light rays or any other effect that you want. And that's it for this quick video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve and video editing content. And until next time, Jackals, keep it digital.